Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects many of us, that is, cholesterol. We'll be exploring the 9 worst foods that can spike your cholesterol levels, and the 5 best foods that can help lower them. If you're ready to make some positive changes for your heart health, stick around. Let's jump right in. Understanding cholesterol. Before we get into the foods, let's quickly understand cholesterol. Cholesterol is a fatty substance in our blood that our bodies need, but too much can lead to health issues. There's good cholesterol, HDL, and bad cholesterol, LDL. Today, we're focusing on foods that can impact that bad cholesterol. Let's start with the 9 worst foods. Number 1. Trans fats. Found in many processed and fried foods, trans fats can raise LDL cholesterol levels. It's crucial to check food labels and avoid products with partially hydrogenated oils. Number 2. Saturated fats. High levels of saturated fats, often found in red meat and full-fat dairy products, can also contribute to increased LDL cholesterol. Moderation is key here. Number 3. Processed meats. Sausages, hot dogs, and certain deli meats can be high in saturated fats and sodium, making them a double whammy for cholesterol levels. Number 4. Full-fat dairy. While dairy is a good source of nutrients, full-fat versions can contribute to higher cholesterol levels. Opt for low-fat or skim options. Number 5. Baked goods. Commercially baked goods often contain trans fats. Limit your intake of cakes, pastries, and cookies. Number 6. Fast food. Notorious for being high in unhealthy fats and sodium, frequent fast food consumption can negatively impact cholesterol levels. Number 7. Fried foods. Fried chicken, fries, and other deep-fried delights are often loaded with trans fats. Enjoy them occasionally, not regularly. Number 8. Margarine. Some margarines contain trans fats. Choose soft margarines with no trans fats, or better yet, opt for heart-healthy oils. Number 9. Excessive alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption may have some heart benefits, excessive drinking can raise cholesterol levels and contribute to other health issues. Now that we know what to avoid, let's talk about the 5 best foods for lowering cholesterol. Number 1. Oats and whole grains. Start your day with oats or whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. They contain soluble fiber, which helps lower LDL cholesterol. Number 2. Fruits and vegetables. Packed with antioxidants and fiber, fruits and vegetables play a crucial role in cholesterol management. Aim for a colorful variety to get the maximum benefits. Number 3. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can lower triglycerides and boost HDL cholesterol. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats and fiber. Snack on a handful or sprinkle them on your meals for added heart benefits. Number 5. Olive oil. Swap saturated fats with heart-healthy olive oil. It contains monounsaturated fats that can improve your cholesterol levels. Use it for cooking or as a drizzle on salads. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with anyone looking to manage their cholesterol levels. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to a heart-healthy journey ahead.